Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Happy New Year to everybody out there. To my subscribers, them subscribe to the channel, to the viewers, them not subscribe yet. Big up on yourself. 2020 was great. Let's make 2022 greater. Work towards your goal. Don't be no hater. But nobody rhyme, man. Got bars. Anyway, today we are here with Shenseea Dolly. That video dropped about a week ago, but because I've been sick, I've been ill, I no find the energy to deal with it. Don't mind the steering wheel in the caption, in the video. This is what I use to do my car game when I'm streaming and stuff. So me not bother take it down because it's complicated to set up like every minute. So anyway, today we're gonna jump in that one here and see where the Shenseea boss say. I don't know. Big up Ramesh Entertainment, big up Chimney Records with that one here. So Dolly, let's go.
Some of them jealous to me and them face get saggy. But you know what make them aggy?
Yeah.
I chew me a Dolly. Tell a girl fi go away. Shut all you want, but you can't touch me. Every day I'm in life blessed like Sunday.
Yeah, Shenseea bad your fuck. Shenseea no feel our Shengyang for them. Shenseea bad. Shenseea does different now. Big up Shenseea. Shenseea, big up yourself, mama. Big up your bum buckler set. You tell you, big up yourself, yeah. Shenseea hot. Shenseea knows she hot too. Shenseea say how she a Dolly. You see me? And she a pretty little Dolly roll when she a, yeah, me like it. Me like it so far. And her lyrics them bad. Bad.
But you can't touch me. Every day I'm in life blessed like Sunday. And on my fault so you born ugly. Jealous of me looks, just show me look like a Dolly. Me look.
And on my fault, make you born ugly. Remember you know grow ugly, you're born ugly. You wasn't You never born pretty and donkey biting in your face and you get ugly. No! You're born ugly. And not my fault. Blame me two ugly parents. Did I just say that? Did you just say that?
Not my fault, so you're born ugly. Jealous of me looks, just show me look like a Dolly. Me look like a Dolly. Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. If you want me a Dolly, listen me.
Part the way you say enough man dead over here. That's a true. That's a true. That's a true Shenseea. That's a true Shenseea.
Dolly keep it cute. Dolly attitude. If you want me a Dolly, listen me. Dolly keep it cute. Dolly attitude. Dolly name now call pan every youth. No mix up, me no friendly some up. No man or girl can get me for you so good.
Alright. She explained what a Dolly is in a fair terms. Enough of them girl I think Dolly just do a bag of plastic surgery on your body, on your breast, on whatever, your liposuction and whatever. No. Your status have it good in the streets. That's what she tell you say. Your status have it good. Your name can call upon every time they can Harry plus Harry friend them. And Tom father. Your name can call up on the road like that. You have to have good reputation in the streets. The streets are talking. Your reputation stink a road. No, you cannot be a Dolly if that is your style.
Dolly keep it cute, Dolly attitude, Dolly name now call pan every youth. No mix up, me no friendly some up. No man or girl can get me for you. So go away, can't roll with the rebel TC and pretty.
Big up them three girls there. Them three girls that do them thing. Big up Rebel, TC and Pretty. Big up them. Big up on yourself, dance. Big up on yourself.
And our girl can get me for you, so go away. Can't roll with the rebel TC and Pretty. It's a Dolly link up a Dolly Sunday. From your waist dirty don't come around. We only par with clean house girl on like a Dolly. Like a Dolly. Rain enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. Enough man a dead over me. Dolly have money, Dolly have sense. If you got put on Dolly have length.
Yeah, she give out one next version of the Dolly them. So basically, Dolly is a good thing. Dolly doesn't mean a bag of plastic surgery like me just telling you a while ago. Dolly can't be no yamabella. Dolly can't be no yamed. Dolly can't be no renter yamed and no sweet yamed and no pum pum yamed. Dolly have to ever have her head on her body screwed down. Intelligent Dolly. Intelligent.
No girl can't lower me confidence. Can't catch me and no girl in a man argument. Me no fuck broke man. Me haters, them are me biggest fans. I'm a got long title, my got brands. Me talk, and me no response.
She have long title, she have brands. Yeah, Shenseea do her thing. Shenseea outside. Shenseea outside. And Shenseea said she not, nobody can catch her with no girl argue one man. Nope. She don't depend that. Yamet style that. She not gonna do that.
So girl go away, chat all you want, but you can't touch me. Every day I'm in life blessed like Sunday. I know my fault, so you born ugly. Tell them Shenseea look like a Dolly, look like a Dolly. Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. If you want me a Dolly, listen me. Me look like a Dolly, look like a Dolly.
Are we seeing a link now with Rebel TC and Pretty? With Shenseea. Are we gonna see that permanent link now where them apart? Are we gonna see that link? Cause we all know the history with them three girls and Spice. So obviously them and Spice now link again. Me have to say it because that's the elephant in the room. Come out, elephant. Come out of my room. Come out of my room. That's the elephant in the room. So is that a thing now where them girls link up with Shenseea and I do they do? Cause you don't know, so them talent not stop on nobody's foot. Them have to out there do them thing. So big up the girl them. Them have to go out there. Them have themselves to feed. Them family for feed, I'm sure. So big up the girls them. You see me? Big up on yourself, ladies.
Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. Enough man a dead over me. Like I'll figure away. Chat all you want, but you can't touch me. Every day I'm in life blessed like Sunday. I know my fault, so you born ugly.
Shenseea love the fuckery thing. Shenseea some little. Our personality just chill, dog. You can just be around her for the whole week and just be a laugh, like an idiot, just like her. That's how she go on, you know. She go on like she mad more time, you know. But I like it.
Fellas, me looks just show me look like a Dolly. Me look like a Dolly. Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. If you want me, a Dolly, listen me.
Stop your fuckery. Shenseea, stop your fuckery. Bumbleclad. Who this? Barbara. Bumbleclad, Barbara! Barbara! Me Bumbleclad! I wish you said Barbara, big up yourself, mama. Big up yourself. Big up your Bumbleclad, Barbara.
Oh, I'm going on this song. Uncle Shenseea Dolly alone as sell.
Oh, I'm going on this song. Only Shenseea Dolly alone as sell. Don't want to fear Dolly. Fear Dolly. So what up? Nobody now buy Barbara Dolly. What do they pan, dog? Only if you buy Barbara Dolly too, Bumbleclad, Barbara's married to you now. What the fuck do you think?
Oh, I'm going on this song. Uncle Shenseea Dolly alone as sell. I'm Barbie Dolly. Want to Barbara Dolly. Okay, take a good look.
Yeah.
Some music now, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Get some wine and go down pants.
Yeah.
Yeah, Berlin.
Barbara body of fuck. Barbara body of fuck. Yeah, Barbara, that's it. Yeah, Barbara, big up a Bumbleclad self, girl. Yo. Shenseea know exactly what she's doing, yo. Big up the team behind Shenseea, same way. Shenseea, big up herself, big up Rebel TC and Pretty. Big up on the set, big up the video personnel, big up the video production team. Well put together. Concept great, concept good, message good, lyrics bad, rhythm bad. Big up Chimney Records for the rhythm. Big up Rum Nation Entertainment said, yo, big up the whole team, dog. Yo, this is what I'm gonna leave down and still. If you enjoyed the one like I did, leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around there if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Beep beep.